Hi, I'm Simon Vaughan. I work for BAE Systems and I'm the project manager on the QEC Mission System project. By bringing together all the systems on the carrier which interact with each other to ensure that they work properly, that they work effectively with each of the users on board, it's probably one of the biggest systems integration tasks that the UK have ever seen. It's quite a complicated picture that the users are having to manage. Not only are they trying to manage not only the aircraft that are flying off the deck of the carrier, but also civilian airspace as well, to enable it to work within that environment. There's also an aspiration that the carrier will be able to support local air traffic facilities. It really leverages some of the groundbreaking technology that sits within the commercial environment, as well as pre-existing military hardware. So it really is a fusion of systems that really gives the client the best value for money. People don't realise just the sheer volume of cable that we're installing on board the carrier. If you laid it out in a straight line, it would reach almost from London to Gibraltar, with data and information travelling at the speed of light for the length and breadth of the ship. Not only is it interconnecting the ship, but the systems then interconnect with a vast degree of systems off board, from satellites to surveillance aircraft and back to joint command centres back in the UK. I mean, one of the most important roles for the carrier in the future will be this deployed operating base that will enable joint forces to use this ship anywhere in the world with the security that goes with using a carrier, because the vast size and configurability of the carrier enables it to be used for so many different tasks, whether that be for a deployed hospital base or just general relief aid that's able to support those operations. Quite often people don't realise just how much work has been done on the carrier in advance of systems being deployed on board ship. I mean, quite recently we had all the telephones which are going to be used on board the carrier deployed in one space, and a whole team of Royal Navy recruits actually testing each of the phones, making one of the biggest conference calls I've ever seen in my life. One of the most interesting things that I've done since I've been on the project was a conversation that I had with one of our Royal Navy clients who used to be working on the floor plate. It was an idea that we thought we could bring together all the our industrial partners working on the project along with our client team in an event that would support our armed forces charities. They came up with this idea called Beat the Block, which is a cycling challenge which has been running over several years, basically racing the blocks as they're produced and shipped and taken up to Rosyth. I was fortunate enough to then be involved with actually the activity or the event itself. Many of the guys who you wouldn't expect to be cyclists, cycling over 100 miles every day for 5 days to raise money for charity. Absolutely fantastic and very humbling experience. It's been a long time that we've been preparing for the moment when the ship goes operational, and it will be really exciting to see it when it's all working and it's actually controlling aircraft and doing the job that we designed it to.